Well, the sun rises here at Nut Haven. Should be another great day of picking. We're getting close to the end here. Stay tuned. The dew is heavy.
The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 continues, day 17. It's early morning here at Nut Haven, and persistent counts, folks. I think we're finally going to finish up here at Nut Haven, so that's exciting. We have just a handful of shrubs left to pick. They've all been marked. Most of the rows have been gone through, all the way through at least once. And again, just those handful of shrubs that aren't picked yet. And then, of course, there's going to be some that won't be picked for another week or so. They're just stragglers. Well, there they are. Nuts just hanging there. Plenty of nuts to pick. This particular bush has the nuts still hanging on tight, but this bush over here dropped a whole bunch of them. So we'll get them picked up. You never know what you're gonna find in the orchard, or driving down a country road for that matter. A full rainbow. Certainly not something you see every day. Well, let's take a look at our tally for the day before we head over and put these into the bin. Well, folks, we are full. The bin is full. We got nuts covering the floor here. Simply put, we're gonna have to start moving some out. Well, I need to make some room so we can dump out what we've harvested today and get it drying down. Dried nut clusters will get scooped up and put into the 55-gallon drums for transport to Nut Haven for husking. I'll also sweep up some of the nut clusters, pushing them up into a pile along the edges of the bin to get some valuable floor space. And finally, I'll spread out the nut clusters using a mini corn rake before firing up the big fan to blow some air on the nuts to get them drying. That'll do it for day 17 of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021.